some brakes on here. We'll go ahead and throw these tires back on the front. We're waiting on a jack for the back side, so we'll go ahead and throw the brakes on while we're waiting. Got our jack stands under there holding her up for now. Let's do that while Micah finishes up with those tires. We got the swapped over tires mounted up, throw them back on. We got the rear brakes. I don't know if we can see them in there. We got them put back on, or new ones put on. New meats on the back. All the supervision we can handle.
Yeah, we were going to stay tonight anyway, but I was just trying to figure out.
New meats. Sweet welds by Louis.
I didn't know what y'all had going on.
This one. We got to swap those out tomorrow. Put some different coil springs in it. Swap these tires back on here now. Had to throw some, I don't know if you can see it in there or not, but we had to put a spacer in there. She thick now.
Thick, boy.
Here we go. Getting ready to start the front end stuff. We're gonna move it back so we get a little more room on the front. We got to put control arms and new coil springs in. And new front tires. Alright, well we got the coils out, the control arms. Of course we got those stupid stuck floor bolts. I recommend some air coil on them every 15-30 minutes. And a little torch heat up them bushings to get them out. We just got to pull out the lower shock mount on each side, and we'll probably jack it back up to get to those lower control arm mounts. But I think in the meantime we are going to go swap the new tires on, so we'll catch y'all in just a few. Alright, here we have our new control arms by Striker Off-Road. They already have the bushings installed. don't know why I can't see anything. Let's see if I can see the Thurin. What are these? A TF32. Got the new bolts in the shock tower. Got new, I don't know what kind of oil these control arms. Striker off-road control arms.
Off-road, some Amazon specials.
We got everything tightened back up, buggered up, whatever you want to call it. Ain't my truck, what do I care, right?
That's right.
Had to fight that one. I don't think I caught that one on video. Of course, the most fun one, but everything's tightened back up. Got the downpipe back in there finally.